first I'm going in with my Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. It is a primer and moisturizer combined, so I'm just using that as a base for my makeup. Now I'm going in with some sunscreen because it's summer. You want to have that protection for your skin. I'm using the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch sunscreen. This is SPF 50. Then to give me even more of a sun-kissed glow, I'm going in with the MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Peach Light. You guys, this has been my go-to for a sun-kissed look. There's just something about the product. It's just very illuminating. And for my brows, I'm going with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is an old mascara. I'm using it for my brows because it's waterproof, so I feel like it will last longer. And just to set my brows in place, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Brow Perfect 3D All-in-One Styler. And I'm just taking the gel portion of it to set my brows. Now to really give that look that you've been in the sun, you guys, the Smashbox Always On Cream Shadow in the shade Barista. I don't know what it is about this product, but they ate when they made this product, okay? It is so good. It's literally my go-to. You can use it for your eyes. You can use it for your cheeks, your lips. Like, you can just use it all over your face. I love it. It really gives me that kind of red kind of look, but not like crazy, you know, like I can control it, but I just love it. I put it on my nose, my eyelids, and my cheeks, and yeah. So now I'm going in with the Vitamin Enriched Skin Tint. It has SPF 15. This is by Bobbi Brown. I'm using the shade Rich 2. I just really like it because it's not thick like a foundation. It's just super light and it just feels like you're not wearing anything. And it also does give a little bit of a glow to your skin, and it also protects your skin a little bit as well from the sun. And normally I do like to blend this out with my fingers, but I am going to use a wet beauty blender just because I'm trying my best not to get my hands dirty. So I'm now using this concealer stick from Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna apply this to the underneath of my brows as well as my nose, just to give myself a little bit of a highlight. So now I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Milk Chocolate, and I'm just sculpting my brows. Now doing the eyeshadow, and I'm going in with the Too Faced Kitty Likes to Scratch eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this like shimmery dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna pop that on top of eyelid. So I'm now going in with the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finished Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Chestnut, and I'm just gonna pop that all over my face. Now I'm just setting my face with the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray just to lock everything in place. Sorry, I didn't really show you guys what I'm using, but I'm using the Smashbox Be Legendary line and prime pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. I'm just using that to line my lips. For my lips, I'm going in with the Clinique Black Honey Pop lip gloss. So for mascara, I just use the Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that I post. Share this with someone who you think would like this video, this kind of content. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!